Ooh, look, I found a tractor.
Zillow the Clown talks to you. Don't see that every day. Hey, I'm at the Northeast Classic Car Museum. My wife was right. It is right next to the railroad. Oh, check out these pumps. They're full of dino bones. That's pretty cool. Well, electric car. Nice bubble.
Yeah,
Shark nose. You look at that.
go around, look in front of that. That's
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is a shark nose.
very futuristic.
Wow.
Pictures there on the podium that show the pictures of how serious they are. When they're all done out of business, it'll be 480 truckers. You know, may ever be two of this body style. Body was made by Oakworth Governor, all made from this wall around here. The other one, somebody took the body off first ravine, destroyed it. Race car on, he ended up not putting anything on it. He thought it was originally a four-door sedan. So it's kind of how it's made.
Wow, all those chrome valve covers, multiples. Like spring-loaded? Or something like that. Size of headlight.
Yeah.
It's a barrel hood.
Yep. Yeah, they used to give her different design hoods.
What a heck of a seal on whatever that is on the front. Was that the starter area? But
Yeah, it was just, you can probably tell from the next one. It said it thought it was too cheap looking, didn't look like a car. So Mr. Franklin didn't like it, but he took a lot of them back and put different hoods on it.
yeah, that's a nice hood though.
Yeah, we got a bunch of Harleys in there. We got them kind of split up in categories and all that.
Look at that motor on that thing. All that rumbling right by your legs.
I've never seen that one before. That's gotta be.
There's a good roof line there.
Yep.
Well, that sharp color.
I understand the car, the Franklin,
Oh, look at that nice military one back there.
Yep.
Got a trike. The seat on that thing. Oh, so you're saying though, this is what they used to make in this building.
Yes.
Man, all the work to get the log over there to take and saw it like that. Yeah, no, I got the Eldorado. It's got like a big block at front wheel drive. Those modern looking hubcaps though.
Yeah.
Beautiful cars out here. The motor on this guy. This is a 350 Windsor under there, and then that
Yeah, it's 351 for the blower, man.
Yeah, my first car I drew flames on it, kind of like this. Not as nice, but yeah, I like that front rim different than the back. That's pretty good, color wise. Whoa, those lug nuts. Like the overflow tank on that. So many things to look at here. That roof cutout. Oh, it slides back. Man, look at that. Well, the guy that started this museum made his money in aircraft.
No, that's where his cars are her first.
Oh. Wow, this.
That's a B-17 bomb. Also used on the Sikorsky helicopter.
Man, some big bullet holes in this one. A nice paint job. Those chopped windows and stuff, or the chopped top.
That right there is an art to be able to cut that all down, weld it all back.
Oh yeah, and get it fairly reasonable.
Be able to see.
Oh, it's an Indian right underneath this? Oh yeah.
Charge, electric shift, disappearing headlights, front wheel drive. They had a lot of mechanical problems with it, so it didn't last.
Oh no, that's a shame. Oh, a beautiful car. Factory color Studebaker.
Yeah. The gentleman owns this. He took him 1,200 hours to restore this car. It's found abandoned in the bottom of a barn. His buddy just go to a drive-in movie. Before they got there, his buddy would get out and jump in the trunk, so they'd all get in for just one person.
Oh wow.
But that is a huge car.
Yeah. Australian truck.
Yeah.
Drives on the other side.
The guy that owns it bought it at auction.
Yeah, the retractable hardtop.
Yeah, that little box in the back there, that's all the trunk you got.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Oh. Shenango camp trailer.
Yep. Yeah.
Made in Norwich.
Yeah. Sold.
Owned by another guy named Al. My name's Alan also.
Built that, they found out they couldn't do it, so they made these retractable hardtop. And the gentleman, this Herb Horowitz, who started the company, he got hooked up in that securities exchange things like Tucker, and he lost his investors, and lost his home, and lost his health. And the guy that owned this, he never did find a whole car. He bought this from a guy out west, had no wheels, had no frame, had two known to exist.
I just like those white tires. But this is, you said, made in New York.
Huge car.
Yeah, that's a heck of a light though on that.
Oh, yeah. George, you say pass anything on the road except the gas station.
Yeah, that's I like that joke. V16.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that emblem. Came out of the Classic Car Museum. Definitely worth the drive. If anybody's interested in seeing classic cars. There's 5 different buildings. A lot of good history. Guy had a personal tour guide. Very nice guy. Let me ask a million questions. I can't recommend it enough. I'm in Norwich, New York. See how high I can fly. I see there was an airport close by, so I don't know if I'm going to fly very high. Oh, Norwich looks pretty nice. The mountain's high and the valley's low. I guess now is my time to go. Anything over there? Ooh, here's some railroad tracks. Go all the way to Binghamton, I bet. Some of the cars, some factory. Yeah, definitely an interesting experience. There's I think there's another museum right here for die-cast cars, if I can zoom down at it. Is it this place? Oh, right there, that blue building. That's another little museum. I don't know if I'm going to go in there, though. Probably not. Maybe would I have Trey with me? Alrighty, that's Norwich, New York. Gotta land before I get in trouble. Here's the museum again. Yeah, definitely a good experience, the museum. Oh, pull-off area to rest area. Thought I'd drone this valley. See what we're looking at over here. Seems that I'm finally away from a couple airports. between Norwich and Sherburne, or northern northwest, I guess I'd. What's that? Oh yeah, look at that. Things I don't expect. That's nice. A little water over here. Might be part of the Shenango Canal. Is over there somewhere. There's the Shenango Canal over there. Wow, look how nice that is. Oh, nice little area. Take a photo of that. Boop. I'm here in Sherburne, New York now. I wanted to stop and get there's a great color of some of these buildings down here. Nice and historical looking. There's a church. And here's the steeple. And open it up and there's the people. But let me see here. Yeah, I just wanted to get a good look at all these colorful houses that are... oh, that's not the right switch. Holy moly. Can I see it from up here? Yeah, very interesting historical looking houses. It's a bright green one down there. I guess I wouldn't go be able to see it from over where I am. Oh, look, railroad tracks. Ooh, look, I must be on the wrong side of the tracks. Ooh, a nice little pond. What else we got out here? More railroad tracks. Interesting little building over there. And here's Route 12. Ooh, a little gas station I didn't even notice over there. Guess I could have pulled over there instead of behind this bar that I'm at. Oh, something over that way. Might as well fly right up and see how far I can reach. Oh, another church up there. Trails up in the woods. Hills and valleys. Maybe a school? I don't know. Oh, people's houses, old-timey houses. What's this? Oh yeah, like a plant here with stuff. Propane, maybe? Not sure. Shoot, now I've lost where I am. Okay, so I'm at right there. Boop. Yeah, I want to get a photo of this cool-looking house color. With the sunshine on it, of course. Oh, better come back down. Something's going on. House, because they serve beer here. That's where people go to drink beer. Only here, though. Hey, it's a tractor trailer. See, so I'm in Sherburne right now. Let's look up this road. Got another church up that way. Yep. Yep. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, some kind of school. Looking around town. Another big road. Oh, there's a dance studio over there. Dance! Dance, monkey! Trey would say about the monkey we got him. Here's the lighthouse from space. Keep it right, keep it lighthouse. Alright, where's the drone? Bring it back in. Come on down. Guess I got the drone right here. I can fly up close to these windows, see if I can see anything. Too far. I was looking at the drone. Look at that. You know, that's what that looks like from up there. Alright, I'll bring the drone back over to me. Maybe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's a weird pipe on the ground. Don't land there. Over. Here should be safe. Alright, now I'm in Hamilton, New York. Just off the spot where you can drone. Oh, scoot over here. Oh, there's that Colgate Inn. Checked out that place to get married. The top of that's pretty cool. Colgate Inn. There's that wild intersection. Oh, dog barking. There's a bookstore and all that stuff over there. Let's see, scoot over this way. Dude, I thought Colgate College was over here somewhere. Can I see it from the... Oh yeah, Colgate College is just farther back than I thought. There's Colgate way over there. Thought I'd see it clear as day from the park. Nah, I won't fly over towards it. There it is up on the hill. Some of their athletic stuff. Some of it's historic downtown. Oh, here's the downtown stuff, yeah. Oh, the roof's up in great shape. Me and my wife had our first date, actually, over in that corner building. It was like a canal brew house or something. Right over there in that corner. Then we got pizza across the road and that little red top building. Where it all started. That way. There's an airport somewhere, or over that way somewhere. Oh yeah, I can kind of make it out. So it won't let me fly too high. Alrighty, better get back down before I get in trouble.